this video, we will show you how to backup WordPress website. First, if you are using Control Panel, you can backup the files and database. The most important is database. You need to export the database regularly. You can click phpMyAdmin on the database. Then you can just click export in here and select custom and choose your database in here. Then you can click go. For example, you need to create folder and you can click save the database. The database is the most important for websites, so you must backup it regularly. The second, you need to backup the file of your WordPress. Actually, you can backup all files or just wp-content, but we recommend you to backup all the files in here. You can click compress and you can compress in here. After that, you can download your backup files in here. Then you can import the boot files if something happen or crash. That's all.